Hey guys, welcome back to Lily's Outdoor Adventures. I'm here in Newport and I'm going to try out some herring fishing, which I actually, to be honest, have not tried yet, so I'm hoping I get at least a few. And I'm going to be crabbing, so I'll also be pulling out my crab snare at one point. I'm going to use my pole and kind of rotate between the two. But heck yeah, guys, we'll see how we do. I'm going to start setting up, getting everything all together here. My daughter just got into U of O, so I had to bring my Oregon duck blanket. Got my favorite fishing pole from my mom and dad. Hopefully it'll be lucky.
I sent my friend over there.
There you go.
He has to take some back.
Fingers crossed.
So that's what all the guys in the boats were doing.
That's what I was thinking. All herring fishing?
Yeah.
I haven't tried it, so I want to try it super bad.
Yeah,
Do you get on YouTube very often?
who doesn't?
Here, check out my channel. My name is Lily.
Awesome.
I started a channel about 9 months ago. I was like, you know what? I've always wanted to be somebody. Screw it. And I went for it. So,
Nice.
yeah, I crab fish, mushroom pick, just all the good foraging stuff.
That's all I do.
It's so much fun. It's so much fun. It's the life, though. That's the best way to live it. All right, where's my scissors? For my knife, that'll work too. I did all kinds of MacGyver stuff to my traps last night. Hopefully it helps. Fishermen are all chasing the herring. All the boats here in Newport. What did I do with my sabiki rig? There's one. Setting up a sabiki rig here. Just clipped it up here on my little swivel there. Then at the end, you're going to clip on a weight. I'm just using a 2-ounce weight. Boop. Just like that. I'm going to try to jig for some herring, which I've never done, so should be funny. Especially if I catch some. Alright, got a bucket just in case. Alright. Let's see here. I want to just jig off right here. Not yet. I just threw her in, but I felt a nibble, and so I pulled up, but there was nothing on it. So maybe it was the boat going by.
Are you fishing for herring?
Yep. I'm trying for some herring, and if I don't got luck with that, I got my snare with me for some crab, and I got my 2 pots in here. So we'll see what I get today. Hopefully something. It's my first time trying for herring, but I've wanted to do it forever. I've had these sabiki rigs in my tackle for like a year or 2.
Oh.
So it's time.
Yeah.
How about you? What are you doing today?
Well, I've got grandkids that want to come down next weekend and herring fish.
Aww.
And, yeah, and I usually go over there back in the Embarcadero area.
Okay.
All the boats are docked.
And then what would you say for herring? So do you think they swim closer on the top, or do you think they swim closer to the bottom? 'Cause that's something I don't know and I'm curious about.
I think what I do is I put a weight.
Mm-hmm.
Can you reach the bottom? Can you feel the bottom?
Oh yeah.
So the bottom and
Bump the
then just
bottom?
kind of jig your way up and reel it up.
Okay.
Reel it up, and then, yeah.
I'll try that
But
then.
Once you feel a fish buzz it,
Uh-huh.
leave it there.
Okay.
Don't be in a hurry to pull it up because they travel to school. So
Gotcha.
I learned this. It took me a while to put this together. I used to be the same way. I'd get a buzz and reel it up.
That's how I am.
One fish.
Yeah.
Next time buzz, reel it up. One
Okay.
fish. And then I thought, well, how are these other people catching like 4 or 5 or 6 fish all at the same time?
I know. I've seen it. It's
And
so
I got
cool.
to watching them, and the thing would buzz, and then pretty soon you could see the rod bobbing and moving around, and they're still not reeling it, and then they finally reel it
Okay.
up. So whenever that fish hits that, and if he's hooked, then he's moving around, and all of a sudden everything else on your jig line is moving around, dancing around, and the rest of the fish
Gotcha.
come. So
Oh, I'm excited. I hope I catch one because I've never done it before. That tide's still coming in pretty hard though, so yeah. Mine are still moving.
you ought to swing here pretty quick.
Yeah, we should be pretty close here.
Seems like it's still coming in a little. I mean, going out.
Mhm.
Coming in, yeah.
Do you watch YouTube at all?
Yeah, sometimes.
Well, I'm gonna give you my card. My name's Lily. What's your name?
Lily?
Mhm.
I'm Gary.
Nice to meet you, Gary. So I have a YouTube channel. You can scan this with like your camera,
Oh.
and it'll take you to my channel, or you can just look up the name on there, and you'll find me. And I just crab, I fish, I mushroom pick. That's what I do.
Where are you at?
It's awesome. I live in Grand Ronde.
Oh, you do?
Yeah,
Okay.
so pretty close enough. It's an hour trek.
Sure.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's worth it. Got to leave a little sooner than everyone else, but
Well,
I just love it. I love crabbing. I love fishing. Done all this stuff my whole life, so might as well make a YouTube channel out of it.
Sure.
And I get to meet new friends. It's always fun.
well, that's cool.
Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate it too.
Well, you need to get that line in the water.
Yes, I do. You're right. You're right. Why am I standing here? That's funny.
Well, good luck, young lady.
Thank you. You know what? We're going to reel this up because I think there's one on there, and I got to know. Oh, look at that. Holy crap. Are they herring? I've never done this before. Ah! No way! Holy shit! Cool! Is that herring? I really have no idea. I don't want to keep it if it's not a herring.
I don't think so.
No.
What is it?
There is a
Sculpin.
small
What the heck?
Blackfish.
black bass.
Oh, they are little black bass. Oh my god! What the hell? Well, that's the smallest black bass I've ever caught. That's cool. All right.
There you go.
Come here, little guys. You gotta go back in the ocean.
Yeah.
You're weirdo. Oh my god, how cute it is!
Oh.
I'm so excited. I just all of a sudden just started feeling a bunch of bites. I'm like, what is on there? You're too little. You gotta go. Give me your little mouth.
Well, you got the hang of it anyway.
Ah, they're so cute. Okay, I can't get over it. Oh, thank you so much. It was great to meet you. I'm all asking him, is that a herring? I don't even know. I've never seen a black bass that little. The heck? What the hell? Oh my god. Well, guess that's all I'm gonna catch. Oh shit. That's bigger. It's so hard to grab their little mouths when they're this small. Okay. Bye-bye, little fishy. Yeah.
Take a lot of those to make a meal.
Oh my god, so many. Boop. Next. I got 4 that time. It's not the right fish, but that's fine. How weird. I don't know if that's common or not, but it's tripping me out. Isn't that hilarious? They like the little flashers on my sabiki rigs. Well, I don't want you guys. Jeez Louise. I'm about to. See, there's a link on down there. I don't know, man. Jeez Louise. This is hilarious. I'm going to have to call my dad. He lives in Alabama.
You'll laugh at these.
Isn't this the funniest shit?
In Alabama, they know what bass are.
Oh my God, man. Hello. Can you see me?
No, I just button.
Okay, so give me a minute. All right, so I'm going to jig for a minute. Give me a second, and I'm going to show you this. Hopefully I get some. I just had to switch my rig because I lost it. But we'll see if it likes this one. There's one. There we go. Now you'll know I ain't full of bull hockey.
Oh my goodness.
What the hell is that? Isn't that funny?
Cute.
He's so tiny.
Cute little fish.
He's so cute. Come here, little guy.
That's funny.
Isn't that the funniest shit ever?
Yeah, I've never seen him that small get caught.
All right. So, yep, there he is.
That's cute.
Isn't that the funniest shit? I just keep taking them off and throwing them back.
Right.
All right, now let's pull those pots and see if there's any crab in them because I haven't pulled them yet. Oh, sweet. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Okay.
You really got in there. Good.
Oh, okay. Whew. Pull, baby, pull.
You're on the ledge.
Yeah. There we go. All right. Thank you. Jeez Louise. Whew, it's a pot full. Yep, there we go. Thank you so much, you guys. Love nice people. Hell yeah. I don't know how I did that.
Wow, look at that.
Well, there's a bunch of crab. It's a full pot. Look, Dad. Look at me. All right. Whew, man. There's got to be something in there, right? Jeez Louise. Stay there, Reds. It's a lot of crab. All right. Now I'm going to get this guy out of your way, too. Must have rushed me over there when that tide was still going. Okay. Oh, you rock. Thanks, guys. Alrighty. Yep. There we go. Oh, heck yeah. Woo! Oh, sweet. Awesome. Thank you, you guys. Now it's slack tide. That won't happen again. All right. Woo! Thanks again.
Got it?
It's the little things in life. Oh, yeah. This is my little one. Alrighty. Bam! Whew! Oh, that was fun. Holy moly. Alright, what do we got here? Put my camera down. Keep forgetting I'm recording a YouTube video too. Well, holy crap. Or I should say holy crap, they're everywhere. They're everywhere. At least Sophie gets some food. Alrighty. Come here. Yep, you two. That's a real baby one. I'm gonna mess with you. right, we got a female. Boop. Got a 2 small male. It's a decent red. Another decent red. Oh, hell yeah. Look at that one. That's a nice red. That's a nice crab. I'll take it. All right. I guess they liked that concoction I made last night. Yeah, it worked. You're a biggin. Holy moly. That's a nice rock crab. Woohoo. Nice one. Holy moly. Alright. Alright, now we're gonna try a little bit of crab snaring with my dur snare. See how it goes. Good song choice. I like it. It's a good song choice.
Oh, yeah.
It's a good one. Oh man, it just took me and 3 people to get my traps up because I got all tangled. Oops.
Oh, did you?
My bad.
You know, I was thinking
There's a bunch of reds in it though.
good on the beach out there. Where all the big
Oh yeah,
Get
for
it out
sure.
there a little
Heave
bit.
them. They're so much fun. Have you tried them?
what, those little,
The dur snare things
Oh.
or the little snares are so fun.
yeah, I got a couple of them.
Oh, I love your shirt too. Man, Ozzy, gosh darn it, dude. I can't even listen to Mama, I'm coming home without crying. You know? Jeez Louise. He was a good one. That's for sure. I just called my dad and was like, hey, I bet you've never seen this before. And I showed him one of the little black rockfish I was catching. It's like, what the heck? I should have held up my Oregon duck blanket. Not that they saw it, but it's still funny. Now my daughter just got accepted into U of O, and so I'm like all Oregon duck themed now with everything. I'm proud of her.
Yeah.
It's pretty dang cool. There we go. Yeah. Hit a seal, change your luck? No. Okay. No. What the hell ugly fish. Who knows there's fish around here?
Well, we just got sculpin.
It's so ugly.
Yeah.
Am I allowed to eat them? Yeah, what the hell, man? I really just want to pick it up, but I'm afraid it has all those barbs on it.
And it's a little squirrely too.
They're so fun. All right. Come here. Come here. Sculpin, whatever you are. Or are you a teeth and shit? Look at this fish. What the hell? Huh. Pretty cool.
You got your phone?
Neato. I do.
Google lenses.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Google lens is good for everything.
You're right, too. At least get a picture with it. It's kind of a cool fish. Bye-bye, fishy. It looks small. Yeah, about a 1/4 inch too small. Ooh, nice red. Yeah, going in the cooler. Switching sides. All right, we got more crab.
There you go. Gotta show people before it's run away.
Ah, let's see it. Oh, so pretty. Oh, how cool is that?
They say it's super, there's no scars.
Oh, how neat.
They say it's super rare, so it's like...
I got something on
somebody
here.
said go buy a lottery ticket.
Oh, wait, those are herring.
Yeah.
Yes, I finally caught a herring. Woo! Sorry, I'm so excited. I kept catching little baby black bass. I'm like, that's not what I'm fishing for.
Black bat or bullhead?
They were tiny little, just black rockfish bass or whatnot. Yeah. It's like, what the heck, man? Sweet. Woohoo. Hey. All right, where's my bucket? I'm gonna need my bucket now. All right. Alrighty. It's on like Donkey Kong now. Yeah, baby. There's another little one. Oh, get back here. This is so fun. Oh, my boy keeps getting stuck. It's gonna be the death of me. I'm trying to go fast. That back in the water. See if I can just drop them in the bucket. See if they'll fall off. Go in the bucket. Boop. No. Like my hooks. Come on, baby. Get off of there. They're pretty little suckers.
Oh, yeah, that was nice.
They're pretty.
Looks like a legal trout.
They're fun.
Wow.
Especially for yeah, for it being my first try. I'm like, hey.
That was big enough to just gut them and fry them.
That's what I was thinking about doing with some of them for my daughter. Why not?
You don't like fish?
Huh?
You don't like white fish?
Oh, I love fish. I'll eat some too, for sure. I need to go out and dockside charters again soon. It's been a while.
Oh, yeah.
I need to fill my freezer with rockfish and crab and all that good stuff. we go. There's a couple.
Oh, herring?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they're out there.
Okay. Yeah, of course. Hop on in there.
Down there, they move.
Yeah, like over there I don't get any, like a couple feet that way, but then right here I do. Oh yeah, there's a bunch on there. I can feel them. All right, sweet. Yeah, full line. Woo, baby. Lost a couple. Lost a couple. Oh shit, losing all of them. Oh, it's fucking hilarious. I feel like such a rookie. Get in the bucket, my guy. Come on, babies. Where did you go? Where did you go, little fishies? All right, there we go. They're backing in and there. Bam! Woo! Couple more. Alright. Throw that baby back out there. Nope. I did not like that one. Huh? Thank you! For first timer, it ain't too shabby. Nice! I know, that's what it is too. It's like, how many are actually going to make it to the bucket? What are we wearing? He's so cute. Hello. That's where we're at so far. We got some in the bucket. That's $300 I can't afford to lose. You got some? Me too. Oh, mine might have came off. Nope, I feel it. Woo. Ew. Let's not do that. Alrighty guys, well I think that is a wrap on Newport here. Let me show you what I caught for crab and herring real quick. Definitely a good amount of red rocks there. And then this is what we got for herring. So heck yeah, for my first time ever trying. I think it was a success. All right, guys, till next time, this is Lily, Lily's Outdoor Adventures. Check out my channel and please like and subscribe and all that good stuff, guys. Let's get beat to 500. All righty, till next time. Bye, guys.